Alright guys, well we're gonna go for a quick ride and test out the BrenTuning flash, tell you my impressions. So let's start out with the cold start. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. So, hope you guys enjoyed the cold start. It sounds really nice. I don't know exactly what they did with the timing, but the bike definitely has a more aggressive sound upon idle and at the cold start level. So I think I might have figured out my microphone issues, but we will see. So with this episode, I plan on just, giving you guys a review of BrenTuning's work. We'll do a little canyon ride that's right near my house. So we'll see how the bike rides, bike handles. See about the performance gains that we might have gotten with the tune and the intake filters. So let's see. All right, Harley. Woo! This bike pulls hard. Oh yeah. I can definitely tell in the mid-range the increased torque and power, so it's definitely an improvement from the stock map, 100%. Bike, dude. Gotta pay love to the Harley guys, even though they don't always pay love to us. So I'm hoping that this mic setup fixed all the issues. I went with a AV, what was it, 800 or something. Found it from one moto vlogger. I think she's in the States. She might be in the UK, I'm not sure, but good reviews. I mean, it's a single cable instead of a connector point, so less likelihood for any interference between the connections. So we'll see how it goes. So let's give it a good pull off the line here. Oh wow. Now that's definitely a big improvement for sure. Wonder where those guys are riding. So I got this little canyon like 5 minutes from my house, so it's kind of nice to do some testing on. And it's not the best road, but hey, it's better than traveling 30 minutes out just to make sure everything's working properly or check your bike out or something like that. So we're just gonna go up here, and I don't know why you're braking for so long. All right, forgot about that one. Oh yeah, but the pull across the board is just so much stronger, especially on the lower end of the bike. It's amazing. Really wakes it up down low. Biker man. Try a little power wheelie right here. Nope. There we go. Oh yeah, tight one. Oh man. That was fun. Let's do it again. So I know that the fans were turned down to kick in, I believe, around 205 or 203. When stock, it's usually above 220 to help cool down the bike. So right now the coolant's sitting at 199. So maybe it's just 200. Not exactly sure. So I'm gonna turn lift control to the most, not going to turn it off, but at least the least restrictive, which would be 1. Want to be able to get the bike up a little bit more. So I think that should be it. All right, let's go. See if we can do them right here. I know the torque range is higher, but I gotta say, the bike just feels alive. So much more alive than before. Here's that sharp turn coming up. All right, now let's try some power wheelies. A little bit. Okay. Like I said, this isn't the best road to really be doing this on. It's a lot of dips, there's a lot of cracks, there's traffic, but you know, it's close enough for me to test out a little bit of you know, what they did to the bike. So, oh, thank you. And so far I'm pretty happy with it. I see a lot of people testing these flashes on freeways, and I don't ride freeways unless I'm going to a canyon. So the best way for me to evaluate anything done to the bike is really what I love doing best, and that's riding canyons. This isn't even the best road to like test on, but hey, it's something, you know? Oh my gosh, so much more pull, it's amazing. So I also notice a lot less backfiring, which I mean, let's admit, we all love, but I think the AFR is probably right where it needs to be. I don't have lockout plates installed. The intake mods also, the flapper still installed as well. So whatever they did with the fueling, I'm not getting any you know, D-cell pops or anything, which probably good for this the life of the spark plugs, but I do miss them. There we go. It's an uphill, I guess, so that was cheating, but hey, I don't know how to wheelie, really. So if I can just do, you know, a little power up pops, I'm cool. I have no desire to get to 12 o'clock, especially on this bike. What's up? Thank you, bro. Okay. So it likes to wheelie straight from power around like 7K RPMs. So I gotta remember that. Still getting used to the power band. I am used to my R6, so it's, I mean, it's a completely different monster. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode of the BrenTuning Flash Review on my R1. I'm very happy with it. The process was super smooth. They got back to me really quick with a map for my bike. So, very happy with BrenTuning and the work that they're doing. If you have an R1, I mean, I would definitely recommend using them. They can do a couple different maps if, let's just say, you race or use you know, some racing fuel at the track or something like that. So yeah, highly recommend them. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. Also, just remember, I respond to every comment that is in my comment section. I love chatting with you guys and you know, helping you out if you have any questions or part suggestions or stuff. So definitely leave a comment down below and subscribe for the next episode. I got a couple more parts that are in the garage that we're going to throw on. I think you guys will enjoy. So as always, ride safe, because that person was being an idiot. So see you guys next time.